Hi, this is Dr. David Stoker, board certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles, with our adorable patient, straight from Spain, who is here 1.5 years after we did upper eyelid surgery on her. Would you mind closing your eyes for me? You can see, no, you can't see it. It's pretty much completely healed so well that even when I'm stretching it with the bright lights on here, I can't really see the incision, which is in the crease here. We'll show you some before and afters in just a second. But basically, go ahead and open. We removed the extra skin with a nice elliptical excision and a little bit of fat there, just the right amount, not to be overdone, but a really natural appearance. What kind of a difference did it make for you?
Now I'm more comfortable and I'm more
Say it in Spanish.
I'm so sorry.
You are already beautiful, but I
I'm
think
more
it brightens your
beautiful.
eyes.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
And I can to see much better. I
Yes.
don't know if this is about the
Yes.
surgery, but I'm more comfortable
Good.
for everything.
All right, well, I'm really happy for you. It's a beautiful, natural-looking result, which
Thank
I'm
you.
super psyched about. We can send you back to Barcelona now, looking
Yeah.
good, and I can feel proud for you and for me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dr. David Stoker, Los Angeles.